Hey, Saruni here, and with me I have the new Infinix Hot 6 Pro. Literally, this phone just came in. So, let's get unboxing. A new phone deserves some real knife, right? Okay, so from the first impressions, what's actually interesting about this device is the 18:9 aspect ratio display. It's a 720p display, but it actually looks really good. And something else is that Infinix have curved the edges of the display, so it looks like every 18:9 aspect ratio display should look like. So that dual camera setup on the back consists of a 13 megapixel lens and a 2 megapixel lens that I presume will be used solely for defocusing the background. Something else that I've noticed that is really nice is that Infinix have ribbed the power button, so you can easily tell it apart from the volume rockers, which are literally just across it, and also the fingerprint reader on the back. It's not that indented, so you can easily miss it, but it's good to have it. This phone actually has Face ID, and from my initial impressions, it works well, it's fast enough, but we will test more in the full review. So Infinix included a silicone case, which is good if you want to have that extra confidence when handling the phone. It will protect the phone from scratches and minor drops. They've also included a screen protector, which again is much welcome. And the screen protector will also protect your device from scratches, especially on the display itself. But since this is a review, you know how we do. We are going to go rogue and go naked both ways. Let's go through the spec sheet. That is it for now. Until next time, kwaheri. Oh, leave a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe.